Good afternoon. Today we come to 63 Cave. They say the Laksa very famous here. So before I have eat one time, but I forget. I want to try whether they're talking correct. Try the Laksa. So spicy already. Order the iced lemon tea and xiao mai chang ping. Oh, spicy. Some lamb. This one is sambar. Lobster sambar. This month we will go to Sarawak, Kuching, eat the original Laksa. Because this Laksa come from Kuching. Okay, but still loose. Still loose bunai. Prawn. I feel the Beng Laksa อร่อยมาก Remember we still have one before we try one Beng Laksa. I think in Kesau. Normal kolomi, maybe have supply, maybe. We never try this one. Have supply. It same my hometown, little bit then, but still good, but okay, only can. Perfect. Okay. Then xiao mai chao ping. Xiao mai chai mean wet class. Xi ping. Xi mean milk. This one for my wife. Okay, see you, bye bye.